So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve another problem. I mean interview problem. So problem name is animal shelter. Question is design a system to manage an animal shelter that house only cats means zero and dog means one. Implement in queue. In queue add animal first in first out order and DQ any adopt any animal which one I mean cat or dog. So DQ dog adopt oldest dog and DQ cat adopts oldest cat. Okay, so if no animal is available for adoption, so return -1 -1. Okay, so for example, in input you have animal shelter and Q. Okay, so dog DQ. Then we got output like null 2100 Okay, so I need to check it. So if you have again I am going to explain this problem. If you have an animal shelter that contain only dog and cats, okay, so each animal has two values. One is arrival number, sorry, I means arrival number indicate which animal come first, okay, and J means type, 0 for cat and 1 for dog. It decide type of cat or dog. So 0 means cat and 1 for dog, and I means arrive the number indicate which animal come first. Okay, so I am going to perform in queue add a new animal to the shelter and DQ return the oldest animal. Okay, whether it is got dog or a cat. Okay, so DQ return the oldest dog. If there are no dog, return -1 comma -1. DQ cat, the return the oldest cat. If there are no cat, return -1 comma -1. Okay, so -1 is greater than, and sorry, less than equals to number of the operation, less than equals to 20,000. Each animal has a unique arrival number, and arrival number are strictly increased. Okay, like 0 1 2 3. Okay, so here I am going to create class. Okay, not class, actually I am going to create here, import some libraries from collection. Okay, so from collections import DQ. After that I need to import from typing. Okay guys, so now I am going to create one class equals to animal self. Okay, so here I am going to create one function. Oh, where is the class? So this is our function for initialization init. Okay, so I am going to pass arguments, self arguments here. After that I need to create self.q equals to dq dq comma dq. Okay, so this is our function for initialization. So here self.q. Okay, so q is the list of two queues. Q0 will store cats and Q1 will store dog. Okay, so after that I need to create another function def in q in q. Okay, so I am going to pass self and animal. I comma j, I comma j equals to I comma j equals to animal, self dot q j, self dot q j dot I append I. Okay, so it's mean animal is like a animal is animal is like in I or in j, I j equals to animal. So I means arrival and j means type, like it is dog or is it, it cat. Okay, so I means arrival and j is a type. Okay, so if j equals to 0, it add I to the cats. Okay, if j equals to 0, it add I to the cats, and if j equals to 1, it add I to the dog queue. Okay, so after that I need to create another function. Define dq, define dq any. So guys, this is the dq any means it decide the which function is adopt first or not. So this function decide which animal to adopt first. So if there are no cats, take a dog. Okay, so see this condition, if not self dot q 0 means if not cat or self dot q. Okay, and if there are no cat, take a dog. Okay, so it will take a dogs or self dot q1 and self dot q10 is less than self dot q00 means 0 means cat and 1 means dog. Okay, so there are dog and the first dog come earlier than the first cat. Okay, so there are a dog and first dog came earlier than the first cat. Then take a dog. Okay, so here written self dot dq, self dot dq dog, otherwise it written self dot dq cat. Okay, so now I am going to create another function df dq dog, this one. going to pass self and return -1 comma -1. If not self dot q1. Else self dot q1 dot pop left comma 1 self dot q1. This is in square bracket, not in. Oh. Then pop left comma 1. Okay, so we can write another function like this: pq. This is for cat. So return -1 comma -1. If not self dot q0 else self dot q0 dot pop left comma 1. Okay, so we can see dq any this function decide which animal to adopt first. If there are no cats, it take a dog. Okay, if there are dog and the first dog come earlier than the first cat, take a dog, otherwise it take a cat. So here you can see. And after that dq dog. So dq dog, if no dog available, it return -1 -1. Okay, so here you can see if no dog, if no dog there in the stack, so this return -1 -1. Okay, so return -1 -1. If not self dot q1 else self dot q1 dot pop left comma 1. Okay, otherwise it remove pop left first dog and return the dog number 1. Okay, otherwise it remove first dog. Okay, otherwise it remove first dog and return dog number and 1 means type. Okay, uh, and this I means any animal and j means type, that it is a cat or dog. And dq cat, it return, if there is no cat, then it return -1 -1. Otherwise it remove first cat and return otherwise it will remove first cat and then return cat number. Okay, remove pop left, first cat, remove by using pop left first cat and return cat number, and 0 means cat and 1 means dog. So I am going to run this. After that I need to run this. Okay, so this is the object for the animal class and shelter dot enqueue. So this is used for a cat and shelter dot enqueue 10 for cat 1. Okay, and shelter dot enqueue 21 for dog 2. Sorry, dog 2. Print shelter dot dq dog, print shelter dot dq cat, and print dq any. Okay, so this is our first output. Dog to adapt here, and cat 0 adopted here, and remaining cat adopted here in dq any. Here no element left.